So you may have PDF files with certain orientation and you may want to go ahead and rotate them out. So by using ILovePDF, you can go ahead and easily rotate them. So to do that, over here, you can go to ILovePDF.com and then you can go to Rotate PDF. You can go around over here onto All PDF tool and you can find the Rotate PDF over here as well. So once you go around over here, you can go ahead and select PDF files right here. And then what you can simply do is choose around a PDF file that you want to go ahead and rotate. Let's say, for example, I have this presentation file. So if I were to go ahead and open, you can see that this is what you have. So there's 13 pages of the presentation right here. So you can go ahead and rotate this out. Let's say, for example, so if I were to go ahead and rotate it and click on download right here, then this is what you have. So you can see that this is a presentation which is rotated out. So if I were to go ahead and click on save and open up, you can see that this presentation is rotated. So let's say you have a similar document which is wrongly rotated. So what you can simply do now is you can go around over here onto All PDF tool, then go to rotate right here. And if you were to go around over here, you can search for, let's say, for example, rotate right here. So this is the file right here. And if I were to go ahead and click on open, I can rotate this over here just like this again and click on rotate PDF. And this is what you have. So if I were to go ahead and click on download rotated PDF, then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and rotate out PDF file inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.